So I'd like to invite you to relax for just 10 to 15 minutes while we create our page 11 in our December daily today. It's a very busy time of the year and we really need to take some time out to just enjoy just creating something. A few minutes of chilling. So I'm going to create a nice little page today. It's going to be very simple. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a sort of different pocket. So I've cut out a piece of paper. I need, what I haven't got is my ruler. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a slit across my ruler. I'm lining it up. And we're just going to cut straight across. And again, to make a nice little pocket. And it's going to be quite a hidden pocket because, you know, something a little bit different. And this is another one of our interactive pages. So if you want an interactive page for your journal that's not too tricky, this is the one. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue down the top and just these two sides here. So I'm just going to put some of this on because it'll do the trick. In the middle. And then we're going to get the stronger glue and go all the way around the outside. Hopefully. You know, if the glue decides to work today. It's nice and full, so should be absolutely fine. As you can see, I can glue in really straight lines. So we're going to pop this down as not only a background, but also our pocket. You can make this a stronger pocket by putting something behind, but I don't think we'll be taking our cards out very long. Oh, and we've got to find number 5. Number 5. And we do have to find page 11 before I carry on. I've got all my bits in here. I've got 12. Where's 11? Must have slid behind. There he is. I think that's it. So we've got page 11. I'll get that out ready. And what I thought I'd do is I'd make a tag with you. And I have made a few. I've been making tags. So I've made sort of these. Let me have a look where we are. So these are just old, luggage tags that you can buy in pretty much any stationers. And I've just stamped on them. I haven't coloured these in. This is stamped onto a piece of paper and just stuck on. So whatever theme you're doing, you could just do that. I've stamped this one onto some book page and I've coloured it in and just ripped it out. And I thought it would look really cool on there. Then I thought, oh, what if I cut him out as well? So we're gonna, there's so many different ways you can make your tags, and I'm sure you've got your favourites. So, you do you. I'm definitely not the world's expert in tag making. There are some amazing people out there. So you may recognise this cat. He's been in one of our pages before. This is Ginger. And I thought, you know what, we're going to colour him Ginger as well. Because he's getting into a lot of mischief during this book. Talking of mischief, who haven't we got out? He's going to be very upset we started without him. Oops, my bad. It's very early. It's my day off and it's quite early and I haven't done my video yet, so I thought I'd get on. Waddles, come on. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry, I forgot you. There we go, you're here now. Just in time for us to make the tag. So I just need some gluey paper. Oh, that will do. So we can glue this down onto there. Now, do we want some background? Sort of gets lost on that one. Have I got any more background paper in my little boxes? That's the same paper. How about that one? It's got like sparkles. Let's use this one. You know, you think you've got it all planned out, and then you don't. So what we'll do is I may just glue that down onto there. Glue. And that red's come through. I love the stars and stuff on there. That's really cool. We're going to glue it on. I'm going to take this off because I'm going to put a different top on. You can leave the string if you want a nice rustic look. Okay, so glue. Don't want to glue that. Oh, it's quite pretty on that side as well. Oh well, we'll use the other side later on another one. I don't think it's quite that wide. Let's put that up there. I'm going to go right to the top and then we'll put something at the bottom to cover. Or we could just cut the bottom. You know, let's not get too fussy. So, trim this up. Nice and simple. No stress. Nothing too complicated. There we go. If in doubt, just trim the end. Okay, so we do have to re-poke our hole in there. Huh, got my knife. I have got my crocodile. You do use the proper thing. If you've got it, use it. Give a much nicer edge. There we go. And I did find some ribbon, so I've got some lovely ribbon here. I'll pop through. Come on. It's a bit thick. So what we're going to do is just... What is that? Oh, it's me. Right. I think what we'll do is just that. Using my paper scissors is always good, isn't it, to cut. And we're going to use maybe... Just wondering what I can use on there. Now I could staple that. Or I could just put a blob of glue. Little bit of Fabri-Tac on there. We'll just hold that down nicely. Just a dab. And just hold that a moment, or go and get my peg. Clothes pin, whatever you want to call it. We'll let that dry off. So I just want to decorate some of this. I've got another tag here that I just cut out of a magazine. and backed. So we're going to pop that one in as well. So Waddles, we're going to choose some of these. We're going to use some stickers and we're going to pop these onto here. So which ones shall we have? Haven't got any with stockings. There's some stockings there. Let's put this one on. I just want to use up some more stuff, and these stickers I've had for ages. I found somewhere, who knows. Right, let me just pop some stockings on, because you know we've got a stocking in our tag. We'll hang them from up there like we did on this side. Sort of carries on as if it's a whole page, but it isn't really. I'll pop this one up there. There we go. Okay. And we've got some little birds. We've got mince pies. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some snow. Do we have some snow? Let's put some of them on. Can I decorate this? Probably doesn't need anything else. I could put a flower on the plate just because. Maybe a couple. Because I can. Waddles, what else should we do? That can go in. Does this need anything else? That must be dry now. We're going to put number 11 on as well. Oh, you think we need to put something on there? What should we put on? How about some mince pies? Should we put some... Oh, the robin. Let's put a robin on. There we go. Ha, I like it. Right, we've got them for later. We'll pop this into here. And we're going to put number 11 on. But I just want something else. Not quite sure what I want. Just looks a bit odd, just popping it on. Could put it on the tag. Could have put it on there. Could put it on this tag. No, I don't want to put it on that tag. So you can use anything you like to make your tags. I want something else here, but I don't know what I want. I'm going to put some more robins on. And I'm going to put this on. Ah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop that on and I'm going to put a robin on top of it. Because. Just because. And we're going to pop a robin on top of his hat. That's it. Oh, and some snow. Let's just use these up. Well, most of them. My little baubles. And we're going to pop them on there. I'm just loving using these stickers up. Can't even see them, but I know they're on there. What do you think, Waddles? And we've got a very secret little pocket there, and we just need to journal on the back. So let's choose our Christmas quote. What do you want to put on this one, Waddles? You think we've got something? I think we probably have. We did find those glittery things, didn't we, earlier? What about these? I know. Super cool. How about this one? Have you been good? Should we put that one on? Have you been good? We'll put that on the back of there, shall we? Have you been good, Waddles? Are you on the nice list or the naughty list? And there's a nice journaling spot. We don't have very many journaling spots in this December daily. I've made a mess now. So there's today's day 11. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you've had a nice, peaceful and chilled, however long it was. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.